you remember phunshuk wangdu? Yeah, that character played by Amir Khan in Three Idiots. He's actually inspired by Sonam Wangchuk. The scenes and the innovations shown in the movie Three Idiots are actually innovations done by Sonam Wangchuk. Nowadays, he's getting famous. But not for the awards he won, not for Ramon Magsaysay Award, the Green Teacher Award or Unesco Chair Earthen Architect Award, but for the hunger strike. Hunger strike in Ladakh, which has entered day 15 and forced 30,000 people to protest on the streets, which is more than 10% of Ladakh's population. When on 6th March, the discussion with the government did not yield any results, Sonam Wangchuk, a famous educator, innovator and activist, decided to become their voice and go on an indefinite fast. But wait, what are their demands and why is he protesting? So he demands implementation of the 6th schedule of the constitution in the region, a separate Lok Sabha seat for Leh and the Kargil districts, statehood for the Union Territory of Ladakh, and a separate Public Service Commission for the Ladakh. Not only this, now you must be thinking, what actually does the Constitution's 6th schedule say? The Constitution's 6th schedule guarantees protection for the land and for the nominal autonomy for the country's tribal areas. Sonam Wangchuk claims that the Union Territory tag has made Ladakh vulnerable to industrial exploitation, which could devastate the fragile ecosystem of the Himalayan region and can turn Ladakh into a barren land. Are these demands right? Is Ladakh going to die? Or will the government take required initiatives?